Oh, in the next year, your car battery will die.
Don't rely on a psychic. Let a trained professional help you understand the health of your car battery. A local auto shop can test your vehicle's battery during your next service visit. Simply ask. Testing is important because this battery provides power to start the engine, runs the electronics, and keeps everything working properly. With age, a battery can wear down and lose its ability to hold a charge. This is how easy battery testing is. The tester measures voltage and cold cranking amps. Within seconds, service technicians have the rapid state of health.
Good news, your battery is health tested great. You're good to go.
Your battery report card.
Your battery is testing okay today, but you're going to have to replace it in the next 6 months or so. We found your problem. It's the battery. It's testing below the recommended range. We can replace it right now if you would like.
This test shows both the voltage and cold cranking amps are below the recommended range. When a replacement is needed,
We have many options to choose from.
your technician can help you choose the battery that fits your vehicle and your price point. Our goal is to get you back on the road quickly and safely.
I can see you've been getting your car battery tested regularly. This card shows reliability. Your future travel plans are wonderful and bright.